Today we're making a Dominican fried rice. That's right. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So we're continuing in our Latin Asian series where we highlight the Asian influence in Latin and Hispanic cuisine. And today we're making chofan, which is a Dominican fried rice. Today we're doing a chicken fried rice where we're incorporating Dominican salami. This is a product that is widely used in the DR. You can see it in dishes like mango. We also have a video for that. And it's a frying salami, so it's perfect for this dish. Okay, so I'm going to take about half of this Dominican salami. Now remember, this is already a cooked product, but when we add it to our pan, it's going to crisp up and it's going to really give it that nice texture, that crispy texture, and it's going to be delicious. So all I want to do is cut these into large dice pieces. So I'll cut it 3 ways that way, and then maybe 4 this way. So here we have our salami, our Dominican salami. I also have some chicken here. Now, when you're making fried rice, it's really a leftover dish because you're using leftover rice and then basic staple ingredients that you might have on hand. So I'm going to stick with that theme and use leftover chicken that I had from yesterday. And this is a chicken breast, and I'm simply going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. Like so. You could use fresh chicken, of course, but like I said, this is really a leftover dish, so keeping with that theme, using leftover chicken. We're also going to cut some vegetables here, starting with some carrots. I'm going to cut these into a dice. We also have some celery. Also dice that. Just like that. There's some red onion. We're also going to do some red pepper. This is going to give some nice color. Some green pepper. Now, traditionally they add green peas, but I'm really not a fan of green peas, but I am a fan of snow peas. So I'm going to use snow peas instead. And I'm just going to chop them down into bite-sized pieces. We also have some scallions. I'm going to use the green and the white parts. And then off camera, I'm going to mince some garlic and some ginger. Okay, rounding out the ingredients, we're going to be using 2 eggs. And then last but not least, our leftover rice. This is a jasmine rice. I do suggest that you use a long grain rice. You can use freshly made rice, but I feel the best fried rice is with cold leftover rice. Then we're also going to be using some sesame oil and soy sauce. Okay, so here I have my wok. Okay, this is a non-stick wok. Always remember that whenever you're doing stir-fry cooking that you should have high heat and a little bit of oil, and that everything is going to go really quickly. Again, make sure that you have all your mise en place, everything that you need, all in one spot, ready to go. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is add just a little bit of oil, and we're first going to scramble our egg. I want to do this ahead of time and then pull it off and then add it later on in the dish, and then just add it. It's going to cook up really quick, just like so. And then pull it off. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. And now I'm going to add my Dominican sausage because I want this to crisp up. Okay, as you can tell, some of the pieces are starting to crisp up. I want to start to add my carrots because the carrots take longer to cook. So I'm going to add those first. Okay, now I'm going to add my remaining vegetables. The onions, the celery, the peppers. Quickly stir fry that. Continue to stir fry. Okay, now we want to add our chicken. Remember, this is already cooked, so all we want to do is heat it through. I also want to add my snow peas. Adds a wonderful color as well. I'm going to add our ginger, garlic, and green onion, scallion. I like to add just a little bit of sesame oil, not too much. Now I want to start adding my rice. And I have a lot of rice here because I have a really big wok and I'm feeding 4 people. So I have about 4 cups of rice here. I'm also going to add my soy right now. I'm going to add as I go because I don't want to add too much. I'd rather come back and add more. And then begin to stir that around. I'm going to add just a little more. Then the last thing we're going to do is add that scrambled egg that we scrambled earlier. Just that around. Okay, here we have our chofan, just garnished with a little bit more of that green onion. Let's take a taste. Let's get some of that chicken, that salami, Dominican salami. Oh yeah, perfectly done. That Dominican sausage is crispy. Vegetables are crunchy, full of flavor. Not bad for leftovers, right?